In this video, I'll show you how to create an audience segment in Google Ads. To do this, just go and open up Google Ads, and then what you want to do is go to Tools right here, and then click on the Shared Library dropdown right there, and from there go to Audience Manager. Then from within your Audience Manager, you can then go to Custom Segments, and then click plus. Now here you can give it a descriptive name, such as a specific interest or whatever you want. I'll just name it 1 for this example. Then here you can include people with the following interests or behaviors. I can choose people with any of these interests or purchase intentions, or you can choose people who search for any of these terms on Google. So here you can then just add an interest, such as roofing. So for example, metal roof installation cost, and then you can add that right there. And from there, just click on save, and you can also see the weekly impressions. You can see the segment insights, so you can choose the countries and stuff like that right here. You can see the gender, age, parental status, and topics. And you can see they have added a few more right here. Now from here, you can then just go and click save, and now you will have created this audience segment. So now you know how to create an audience segment in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.